Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be taking and putting stage 1 kit on this mini bike. I don't know if you'd really call it that. It's got a Kohler 6.5 horse on. I'm gonna had to order a header for it. The exhaust. I was riding along and all of a sudden the muffler was gone. It was louder, my leg was heating up. I looked down, muffler's gone. Headlight also came off, so I'm going to be taking that off. No point in having it on there being busted up. And yeah, we're actually going to have a video about the mini bike today. Okay, so we're going to use this air filter adapter, $13.99 on Amazon, and of course line it up with your carburetor, and then it bolts down. Alright, we got that installed. That was kind of a pain for no real reason. Wow. So be warned, it was this side mainly. You had to take and evenly get them down and then tighten this side up and then this side. I don't know why, but just be forewarned. You'll have to use a deep well on it, or even a 1/4 inch socket would be probably perfect for it, but I don't have any 1/4 inch 10mm. Now I don't know how exactly I'm going to want this. I guess I could take and sit on the bike and check. Yeah, about something like that would be perfect. Look at that. Okay, as you can see, the bolts are still there, but the muffler just poofed gone. Never to be, well, we can't say never to be seen again. We found it. So I'll probably have to end up getting a different one, but this one will work for now. As you can see, it kind of comes out right there at the exhaust, or at the frame, so nah, it'll be all right. We make it work. Getting a little ahead of myself here. Need to put a gasket in there. So the kit comes with a new gasket. You want the new gasket. Line your D's up. We're going to start with 1 bolt. The D is like that to match the D on the head. And when you know it, these bolts ain't going to work. Wow. Swing and a miss. But anyways, we'll have it lined up. Don't do that. Now, I'm sure this would probably work better on a 212 Predator or a Honda engine or any of the clones. I mean, we're just putting this on this Kohler because kind of needed it, and I bought the first one the cheapest one I seen on Amazon, just to get us by. Well, it's on there. Now we'll take and fire it up and see how it sounds. I don't have the belt on. I robbed it to give to Asher for last time he wanted to ride the go-kart, which just so happened to be the mudding video. So we'll take and we'll fire this thing up and see how it sounds. All right, here we go. Yep, sounds pretty good. We'll see how it rides. Alright, well there you go. Well, as you can see, we broke it again, but now it's off to its new home. We ended up trading it for something else that we're going to end up debuting on the channel. So, we'll see you next time.